Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's video, we'll show you how to add a payment method to accounting journals in Invent ERP. Learn how, so transactions are recorded properly, payments are matched accurately, and keep your accounting neat and up to date. Let's see how together. Click on All Apps. Then select Accounting. When you arrive, navigate to Configuration, then Accounting. After that, Journals. In the Journals page, select the journal you want to add a payment method for. Now press on Edit. Navigate to Incoming Payments. Click on Add Payment Method. Begin by selecting Manual. After that, add a name for your payment method. In this case, we used Benefit Pay. This is optional. If you want, you can add an outstanding account if you want to skip reconciliation. If not, just leave it empty. Next, let's do the same steps for outgoing payments. Add a payment method. Select payment method as manual and add a name. When all the steps are completed, make sure outgoing payments match the details of incoming payments. Then go ahead and press Save. And that's it, how to add a payment method to accounting journals in Invent ERP. Thank you for watching.